Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
One couple has admitted in the hospital with stabbing injuries on the neck. So accordingly, after the call, I visited the district hospital and conducted the inquiry, wherein I get information that one couple was having a talks outside the hospital compound on the road leading from Chandrawada to district hospital. Suddenly some noise came and our police constable, head constable who was on the duty, that is Salim Sheikh of IRB, he got alerted and went towards the sound. He saw one boy and girl are standing and they are having the injuries on their neck, and there is a knife in the hand of the boy, and boy is again going towards the girl. So suddenly he went towards the boy and kicked on his hand and released the knife from the boy's hand, and further both fell down on the road, and further they were admitted in the district hospital for treatment. So presently our preliminary inquiry is going on to find out, ascertain the exact cause of the incident, and once we find the exact cause, we will take the action as per law. The boy's name is Parshuram Gawas. His age about 21 years and he is resident of Dodamar, Sgdh. Presently we came to know that he is working in a courier service, one of the courier service in Bicholim, and the said girl is working as a X-ray technician in the district hospital. She is also from Bicholim. Her name is Suchita Kamkar. So we will conduct the inquiry and we will take action as per the law.